In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a monthly calendar printable in Google Sheets. Begin by opening your calendar spreadsheet in Google Sheets. In this example, it is an annual calendar file, but the same idea works for any monthly calendar layout. Make sure you are viewing the sheet you want to turn into a printable file, and give it a quick scan so you know the dates and formatting look the way you want before you export anything. Next, go to the top left area of Google Sheets and click File. This opens a menu with options related to sharing and output. Since the goal is to create a clean, printable version, we are going to use the Publish option, which can generate a PDF version of your calendar. In the File menu, click Share. A side menu will appear with a few different choices. From there, select Publish to Web. This opens a publishing window where you can choose how your calendar will be published and what format it will use. This step is important because it lets you produce a document-style output that is easy to print and share. In the Publish to the Web window, you will see options you can click and highlight. Click into the selection area so you can confirm what part of the spreadsheet is being published. Take a moment here to ensure you are targeting the correct sheet or selection, since publishing the wrong tab could give you a PDF that is missing your calendar or includes extra pages you did not intend to share. Then, click the Format dropdown and choose PDF Document, POT PDF. Selecting PDF is the best choice for printing because it keeps the layout stable. It also makes the calendar easier to download and distribute without worrying about spreadsheet editing. Once PDF is selected and your publishing settings are correct, click Publish. Google Sheets may ask you to confirm that you want to publish. Confirm the action so the file can be generated. After publishing, you will have a published PDF version of your monthly calendar that you can use as a printable. Save it where you can easily find it later, especially if you plan to print it regularly or share it with others. That covers everything you need to know.